Want to trade intraday, but always buy high and sell low? Don't place orders by feeling anymore? Today I'll take you through the 8 essential trading rules you must learn during the trading session, especially the crucial time point of 10:30. Once you master them, your chances of winning will directly increase. The rule of multiple of the gap. Core logic. If you open higher, lower by more than 5% in the morning, and the gap is not filled at 10:30, the maximum daily change approximately equals first low times 2. Trading scenario. A certain stock opened 6% higher and continued to fluctuate. The gap was not filled at 10:30. The first low point of opening was 10.5 yuan. 3 15-minute overruns rule. 3 consecutive 15-minute bullish-bearish lines in the early trading session indicate strong control of the market by the main force, which often shows a one-sided trend throughout the day. Case: a certain stock closed higher with increased volume for 3 consecutive 15-minute periods. From 9:30 to 10:15, the volume gradually increased, and it was likely to rise on a single side for the day. 10:30, the high point rule. If the index goes up, down by more than 15 points from 9:30 to 10 o'clock, but there is no double volume coordination, 10:30 is likely to be the high-low point of the day. Mnemonic: strong shortage. 10:30, stand guard. If a certain index surges by 20 points within half an hour at the opening, but the trading volume remains stable, it will fall back and close lower after 10:30. Message: high start rule when stimulated by news. Look at the Shanghai call auction volume, greater than 300 million. Direct chase, bullish for the entire day. 70 to 300 million? Volatile. If it fails to break through the pullback point by 10:30, it will decline. 70 million. Fast run, prone to a sharp decline. A certain stock opened higher on positive news, with a call auction volume of only 50 million, and then fell all the way. Dem 30 multiplier rule. If 10:30 trading volume does not exceed twice that of the late afternoon session of the previous trading day, the rally will be difficult to sustain before 11 o'clock. Rebounded at 10:30, and trading volume was just 0.8 times that of yesterday's late session. Fell again after 11 o'clock. Subtractive counterarc rule. Opened higher in the morning without filling the gap, then fell back an hour later and pulled up again. Shares opened higher, then fell back and pulled again. The second wave was only 1.2 times the volume of the first wave and closed with a long upper shadow. 10:30 energy consumption rule of thumb. In the first hour of an uptrend, the volume was 1.5 times the end of the previous day, continuing to rise. The first hour trading volume in the downtrend is 0.75 of the previous day's closing price, continuing to fall. If the upward trend volume is less than 0.75 of the previous day's closing price, it is likely to fall back. If the volume of the decline is greater than 1.5 times that of the previous day's late trading, be cautious of a reversal. When a certain stock fell, its first hour volume reached twice that of the previous day's late trading, and then it rebounded and turned red. Oldham time rule, key time point. Morning trading, highs and lows. 10:15, 11 o'clock, direction confirmation. 11:15. Afternoon turning points, 13:45, 14:10, 14:30. Hit a high at 10:15, and then fell back. Confirmed the downward trend at 11:15 and accelerated downward at 14:30.